Thank you for watching this Deer Systems tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the Product Availability Report. Deer allows you to view the availability of your products in a customizable list that includes what has been allocated to sales and work orders, as well as incoming stock. To view the product availability page, navigate to Inventory, and then Availability. Here you can filter the report, customize the columns, search, as well as print product labels and export. In the case where stock is currently on order, Deer will inform you of the expected delivery date of the ordered stock if entered against the purchase order. Note that the product availability will only show SKUs which have had movements, transactions, or initial stock quantities. Out-of-stock products with no movements will not appear, even if Show Only Non-Zero Quantities is unselected. To see products that do not yet have any movements against them, try the Stock Level Report, which will include all SKUs. This can be found in Reports, Inventory, Stock Level Report. Headings can be added or removed from the product availability table by selecting the gear icon in the corner of the page. Return any layout changes back to default by selecting Reset Layout. You can also sort the table view by ascending or descending values by selecting a header name. You're also able to resize and rearrange these headers as needed by either dragging and dropping the header or expanding the gap between each header. Note that if the costing method of a product is set to serial or batch, the products will be shown in the availability screen against each of their unique serial or batch number. You can hide the serial or batch and expiry date columns to view total SKU availability by selecting this option here. The refresh option updates the data in the report if any changes have been made since the page was last open. The export button will download the product availability report in a CSV file. And the print option allows you to print product labels for any of the products that you've selected. If you search for a product with batch and serial number in the search box, then filter by showing batch serial number on the right side, the report will show all the batch and serial numbers for that particular product in all the locations. Once you change the filter to consolidate batch and serial number, you'll notice the batch and serial number columns will disappear, showing you the product availability across all locations. For each product in the system, Deer Inventory keeps track of the following quantities: on hand, allocated, and available. On-hand quantity is the quantity you expect to see in your warehouse. This includes products from sales orders which have yet to be fulfilled. The allocated quantity represents the quantity of the products reserved to be used in the pending sales and work orders. These orders are not yet completed but are authorized, and for successful completion, items are reserved to avoid double selling. Available quantity is always the difference between on-hand quantity and allocated quantity. Available and on-hand quantities can be verified during purchase using the Verify Order function on the purchase order screen. This will compare the purchase order's quantities to your inventory stock. Both the on-order and allocated column give you the ability to see their values in a list of the documents that make up the value. From here, you can select the document name to be taken directly to the document of your choice. And that concludes this video on product availability.